Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to do a manicure, and I'll be using my Lily and Fox nail wraps. So I chose this for today. It's all different color glitter colors. Okay. I've already prepped my nails. I already got a coat of clear, base coat on. That's what you need. So all I got to do is put these on and put a top coat on. We'll file them, of course. So let's get started. Okay. Lily and Fox nail wraps. What is this one called? Popsicles. That's the name of these particular ones. Popsicles. So I'm going to open it. And this is actual nail polish, y'all. It ain't the vinyl stickers that you can get from other places. I've got some Amazon ones. They're not nail polish. Okay. So you fit them to your nails. I've been using these for so long, you know, I know. I'm going to use these first two. Then I'm going to use the next to the largest for my thumb. I don't use this. Okay, the first two. But I want the colors to be right. Alternating. So the blue go on the baby finger. Okay, I got the tall man finger. I think orange can go on that one. 1, 2, 3. Maybe pink. Go on the ring finger. That goes on the thumb. And green go on pointer. Okay. I got my mat here. It's my fingernail mat. What y'all see? Oh, this is so ghetto. Picking up the whole tripod, trying to show y'all what I'm doing. Sorry. All right. So I got one of each color. So I'm going to start with my baby finger. That's the blue. Okay. You go from this end. See that? Peel off the clear. Well, I don't know what you call it. Clear vinyl protector. And this stuff will cling to your hand. Should have had a damp paper towel in here. Okay. Then you go from the other end and peel off the nail wrap itself. Like that. See, I'm peeling this off. I anchor it to the cardboard I just peeled it off of. That makes it applying it to my nail much easier. If you mess up, I mean, you can take it off and reposition it quite a few times and it will stick. And I don't worry about it being spaces on each side if it's not quite wide enough for my nail. Because when I put on my top coat, that helps to seal the whole nail wrap on. And these will last a long time till I get sick of them. So this is on here. Smooth it out good. And I'm going to trim as close to my nail as possible without snagging my nail. Okay. So that's on here. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Try not to cover your skin. Don't cover the cuticle at all. Because first time you wash your hands, it's going to come off. Okay, I'm going to do the other baby finger. Remember I said to go at this end to peel off that vinyl covering. Then go at the opposite end to peel off the nail wrap itself. Anchor it to the cardboard like that. This is easier to apply that way. Then, and these are my own natural nails, but you can put these on the fake nails. Like I said, you can pick it up and reapply it if you get it wrong, or if you put it on crooked like I just did. Okay, it looks pretty good. And smooth it out. It's pretty, sparkly. Cut this. And when I get through with all of them, I'm going to file off the little bitty excess. Okay, I'm going to do one more in front of the camera, and then I'm going to go off camera and finish them, then I'll be back. Okay, this is for my ring finger. Let me see. This will fit better. Okay, I'm going to peel off the vinyl. Come on now, get off. Okay. Go to the other end and peel off the nail wrap. It's still on me. Okay. Sometimes you may get a nail wrap and it don't have that vinyl on it. It happens sometimes. Okay, I put it on the cardboard. Now I'm going to do this nail, the ring finger. I have to go down here so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay. So I'm going to cut this excess off close to the nail. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's glittery, but you can't feel the glitter. Like with glitter polish, you can feel it. Okay, and put this other one on this nail. But it's much easier to apply it if you anchor it to that cardboard that it came off of. It's kind of crooked. Like I said, don't worry about it being crooked, because you can take it off and reposition it several times. Oh, and these are my nice little manicure scissors that I got from Temu. I think they're like $2. Look at that, y'all. Gorgeous. Pretty little antique looking color on here. So I'm going to go off camera and finish these, and I'll be back with the top coat. Okay, y'all, finished both hands. So now I'm going to put on my top coat. Any top coat. It don't matter. Oh. So I told you I was going to file off the excess. I filed off the excess and just pulled it off. These are the extras I have. I saved my extras because I may want to do an accent finger one day in another color, so I saved those. This is how I store my nail wraps in a photo album. Okay. It's for 4x6 photo album. Use a good file to file off the excess. Use a good top coat if you want your nail wraps to last. Mine have lasted 3.5 to 4 weeks, or until I got tired of them. So I'm gonna use this one. It's all you need. That's what it says, by Ellen Chase. Sometimes I use the Extreme Wear by Sally Hansen. Use this today. And you're not supposed to wash your hands for a couple hours after putting on your nail wraps. So if you got to cook, if you got to keep changing babies' diapers and washing your hands and all that, or if you going to the John because you're taking water pills or whatever, and you know you got to keep washing your hands, wait until you don't have to keep washing your hands before you do this. Put on a nice thin coat, or this top coat. Let it dry, and you're good to go. Like I said, if some of the sides of your nail are exposed, then this just helps, this top coat just helps seal it in. Ooh, stringing. I'm trying to find the side. Well, I do have some sides exposed, but that's okay. Ain't nobody getting all up in my grill. Don't matter. It should stay on longer if you want it. Oh, this is getting kind of thick and it's stringing. Okay. Smooth it out. And this just adds to the shine. Plus it protects the nail wrap. So to make your nail wraps last, clean your nails, push your cuticles back, put on a base coat, put on the nail wraps, then file the nail wrap edges off, then put on your top coat. And do not put your hands in water for a couple hours. Okay, I'm good. These will last. They're cute. And this is called Popsicles by Lily and Fox. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay.